Morning, my dear students. Welcome to the class. I hope you all are well. In the previous class, we have learned about map and its types. Today, I want to explain language of maps. Let's read first of all. Language of maps. Maps have a special way of conveying information. We need to be familiar with the language of maps to be able to read a map and understand it. This includes title. The title of the map tells us what the map is all about. For example, a political map of India shows international, state and other boundaries of countries, districts, etc. Scale. A map rarely shows the actual distance between places. Distances are reduced so that the area being mapped can be fitted on a piece of paper. Maps are drawn to a scale to be able to do this accurately. When the distance between two given points on the ground is measured, it is called the ground distance. The distance between any 2 points on the map measured along a straight line is called the map distance. The ratio between the map distance and the ground distance is called the scale of the map. Yes, that means language of maps include title, scale, directions, colors and symbols. Language of maps includes title, scale, directions, colors and symbols. Title means the title of the map tells us what the map is all about. For example, political map of India shows international, state and other boundaries of countries, districts, etc. Some of the maps show boundaries of countries, states and important cities. These are called political maps. Maps showing on the relief features of the land like plateaus, mountains, plains and rivers are called physical maps. The title of the maps tells us what the map is all about. Scale. The scale of a map indicates the relationship between the distance shown on the map and the actual distance shown on the ground. Yes. Since the map is a miniature representation of Earth, it is not possible to show the exact distance between two places. Is it possible? No, it is not possible to show the exact distance between two places. Therefore, maps are drawn to a scale. The scale of a map indicates the relationship between distance shown on the map and the actual distance on the ground. Ground distance means when the distance between two given points on the ground is measured, it is called ground distance. Ground distance means when the distance between two given points on the ground is measured, it is called ground distance. Then map distance means what? The distance between any 2 points on the map measured along a straight line is called the map distance. The distance between any 2 points on the map measured along a straight line is called the map distance. The scale of a map indicates the relationship between the distance shown on the map and the actual distance on the ground. The ratio between the map distance and the ground distance is called the scale of a map. Ground distance means when the distance between two given points on the ground is measured, it is called ground distance. The distance between any 2 points on the map measured along a straight line is called map distance. The ratio between the map distance and the ground distance is called the scale of the map. Suppose an example will help you understand this. The distance between Delhi and Mumbai is about 1100 kilometers. Suppose on a map, the two cities are shown 11 centimeters apart. So 11 centimeters on the map is equal to 1100 kilometers on the ground. Yes, clear? That means actual distance between two cities may be 100 kilometers, but on the map it may be shown as 1 centimeter. It's clear? The scale of a map is often shown as a line with the distance marked on it. The scale of 1 centimeter is to 100 kilometers is shown here in this way. You can see the picture also given. This is called a linear scale. Each division in the bar is 1 centimeter and indicates 100 kilometers on the ground. Yes. Next. Directions. Four major directions appearing on the maps are north, south, east and west. What are the four main directions? Four main directions are north, south, east and west. Yes. Next, if you will stand in front of the map, if any map as we face it, the north direction is always at the top. The south is at the bottom. The east to our right and the west to our left. You can see the picture also here marked in your picture also. These are the main directions. What are the four main directions? You already learned in standard 3 and 4 also. What are the four main directions? North, south, east and west. These are the four main directions. Clear? Next, colors. All maps follow the same color code. If you look at a number of maps, you will find that all water bodies are shown in blue color. Water bodies are shown in blue color. Different colors in the map are used to show different features of Earth's surface. That means if you look at a physical map, the first thing that you can identify are the colors that represent the different features on the earth. Plains and lowlands are shown in green color. Yes. High mountains are shown in dark brown. Lower mountains and hills are shown in light brown. Deep waters are shown in darker shades of blue, while shallow waters are shown in the light blue color. And hills and plains are shown in yellow color. Yes. Next. Maps mostly have a key at the corner called index. It tells what each color or symbol stands for. Symbols. The signs and symbols help us to read and understand the information given on the map. We can show physical or cultural features on a map with the help of signs and symbols. We can show features such as temples, mosques, churches, forts, rivers, bridges, lakes, etc. with the help of signs and symbols. Again, yes, most of these symbols are now used by all countries in the world. Thus, the signs and symbols are called conventional symbols. Symbols express significant features on earth represented on a map. On the map, boundaries between countries are shown as dark dashes and dots. Boundaries between countries are shown as dark dashes and dots, and the cities are marked as black dots. Similarly, boundaries between countries, roads, rivers, railway lines, bridges and capitals are represented by specific symbols. We are also given the picture also. Yes, these symbols help us to read a map accurately. These symbols help us to read a map accurately. Every map has a key which gives the scale of the map and explains the meaning of various symbols. Every map has a key which gives us the scale of the map and explains the meaning of various symbols. The symbols and signs used on maps are called conventional signs and symbols. The symbols and signs used on maps are called conventional signs and symbols. Yes, children, you have to read the lesson. Then you have to try fill in the blanks. You have to try to do fill in the blanks in the book. Next class, I will give you the answers. Yes, thank you.